In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink GCash from Grab. Let's dive right in and get started on this simple yet essential process. First, you'll want to open the Grab app on your smartphone. Make sure you're connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, so that everything runs smoothly. This step is crucial because the app needs to communicate with its servers to process any changes you make. Once the Grab app is open, navigate to the Account section. You can find this in the lower right corner of your screen. Tapping on Account will take you to a page with various options related to your profile and settings. This area is where you manage all the personal details and preferences associated with your Grab account. From here, look for the Payments or Payment Methods option. This is where you manage all the payment methods linked to your Grab account. You might see several options here, but today we're focusing on GCash. It's important to keep this area updated to ensure seamless transactions in the future. Next up, select GCash from the list of payment methods. This brings up the details of your GCash account as it is linked to Grab. At this point, you're just one step away from unlinking. Keep in mind that removing an unused payment method can help prevent unauthorized transactions and maintain your financial security. Now tap Unlink, Remove, or Delete. The exact word might vary depending on your app version, but they all serve the same purpose. This action will initiate the process of disconnecting your GCash account from Grab. It's a straightforward step, but also critical for managing your digital wallet efficiently. After tapping the option to unlink, you'll be prompted to confirm the removal. A confirmation screen will appear asking if you're sure about your decision. Go ahead and confirm. This extra step ensures that you don't accidentally remove a payment method you still want to use. Remember, confirming the removal is an irreversible action, so double-check before proceeding. Once you confirm, wait for the success message to appear on your screen. This message indicates that the process has been completed successfully. The app might take a few seconds to update, so be patient. Seeing this message is your assurance that GCash has been unlinked from your Grab account. It's always satisfying to see that confirmation pop up. It tells you that the process was executed without any hitches. With that ready, you now have successfully unlinked GCash from your Grab account. This means that Grab will no longer be able to access your GCash funds for any transactions. You can always relink GCash or add another payment method later if needed. Managing your payment methods carefully helps keep your financial information secure and organized. And there you have it. Just a few simple steps to manage your Grab payment methods. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.